Why Ju? Actually, I never liked my name Julia, but as my mom used to say, if you add a complicated name to your horrible character, you'll be hard to tolerate at all. But I always liked the East, all those variations on the theme of the name, their incredible jewelry, bright outfits, trance-inducing music. And I feel myself in them as much as possible, resonating with this creative and insightful world. ДжуLi is my character. My creativity is encapsulated in that name. You can also see art in the logo, because this page is dedicated to painting, and the content of the feed itself is bright and contrasting, so you can fully experience me and my energy. Let me know in the comments if you like your name. After all, many people believe that the name we go by gives us strength and luck, or vice versa. We flounder, and there is no result. Besides, a pseudonym is a great defense. All the slanted glances and envy are directed at the pseudonym, not at you personally. Would you like to get a photo that reflects the character of your name? You can also see art